Today we are at the lap of nature at the mountain side of Sahibganj, Jharkhand. And today, today is the day of Muharram, 10th Muharram, isn't it? June 7th, I think,
Sixth,
7th June
sixth.
or 6th June, no?
Yes.
6th, sorry, 6th June. And today we are sitting here enjoying the beauty of nature and all these are the, treasury for our country. We know it very well that the day uh, today is the Muharramul Haram, and on this very day we recall the sacrifice of Hussein Rajallahu Ta'ala anhu, who dedicated his life, who sacrificed his life for the truth, no? Truth, non-violence, and sacrifice must be the part of our life. And sitting here on the mountain side, I request all of my countrymen to take lessons from Hussein Rajallahu Ta'ala anhu and his colleagues who sacrificed their life for truth. Truth and non-violence will give us path for you know uh, path for progress, peace, love, and I request you all to learn the lesson from our history of Muharram. And we are the people of our country having the unity in diversity, different sorts of cultural, uh, you know, people are there in our country, and our country is the country of festivals. Almost all the year we are uh, facing or we are what is enjoying, we are celebrating different sorts of festivals. So festivals are the word which means to have the festive moods. This means happiness must be there on the face of everyone of our country. And sitting here, I would like take the scene from that side too. Okay, and really, you also take your face sitting together. With me, Arman is here, who is from Saint Xavier, and we are all together making this video as a part of our memorable events, and we are celebrating Muharram in the lap of nature, and you know propagating the message of Islam, which is based on Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It means God or Allah is the Allah for everyone of this universe. It's not the matter that Allah is the Allah for a particular caste, creed, race, or religious groups. Rather, Allah is omnipotent, almighty, and He is the Almighty God who is for all. And we are really happy to have these moments here. Now it is going to be darker and darker. Darkness is coming upon us, and we have to leave this place now because we have to, you know, we have to cross a long distance to reach our home. And this is the place which is on the, you know, this is which is surrounded with different sorts of trees and plants, and all sorts of things are here. I'm really happy. May God you know help us to enjoy these days whole the year, whole the in whole life, and our coming generation, our students, and our guardians, parents, people of all religious groups must be uh, you know uh, leading their life together without keeping in mind the differences, because our is the country based on secularism. Our is the country based on non-violence. Our is the country based on inclusive growth. Our is the country based on, you know, unity. Our is the country based on peace and love. Thank you very, very much. Have a very good night.